Okay, alright guys, now in this video we will be doing the hack the box nibbles. So this is the IP address 10.10.10.75 and I have already performed the nmap scan. So normal TCP ports and the version scanning. So we have the two ports open, that is one is the SSH and the another one is web server. And okay, now let's copy this IP address, copy this and let's go to the website. So you can see this is the hello world. So whenever you see like a plain text page, always open the source code to see any comments or something. So here there is a comment and nibble block directory. So let's copy this and go to this directory and hit enter. So this is the blog post. Now let's also see the source code of this. So you can see nibble blog, okay, and admin. So this is there are some directories here, you can see here. Okay, now let's copy this and meanwhile what we can do is we can run the GoBuster scan. And I am going to use the simple word list, and we can use the extensions PHP HTML. So hit enter. Now let's go to the admin page. So we have some directories, so we can go to the views. See, this is like a framework, like a web framework. I don't know that PHP framework, and you can see there are some bit files. So there is no information about this. This is like a PHP framework's backend code. So there will be no information about this. So you can also go check all these folders and there will be no juicy information. So you can see there is a admin directory and also admin.php, and if you search for the contents, there will be like admin.php. So you will see in somewhere the source code, there will be admin.php, and also we have the content directory. So okay, instead of admin, let's go to content, and you can see private public temp. So let's go to temp directory and there is nothing. Okay, that's fine, and go to public. So it's like a upload, so normal images, and go to private, and here now you can see some information config.xml. so open this and you can see the information, the name, nibbles, and the URL, and you can see here. So you can see notification email to, so admin@nibbles.com. so admin may be one of the user, and the email is coming from no reply. So this is a normal reply. This mail server is running on this server, and it's replying this notification email to this admin@nibbles.com. so there is nothing information. So we came to know that there is a admin user, and anyway you can go to the users.xml, and here you can see username is equals to admin. That means we have one username, that is admin. Okay, so go to the plugins, and here you can see all these plugins here. Okay, we do not have much content, it's just XML about the post. Okay, now let me stop here. Let's go to the admin.php. so before I want to show you what I did, I tested for the SQL injection here, but I did not find any of this. So let's so okay, we did not get any SQL. There is no SQL injection vulnerability. Okay, you can also check for the any file inclusions. It's passwd. So we did not get any information. Let's also try %00. So this will terminate the string afterwards. So let's visit anyway. So there is an error. File exists, expects one parameter to be valid path. So there may be filter, or I don't know, we cannot view the file. So let's go to admin.php. So this is where I struck. I tried some combinations admin and did not work, and then I saw the write up. So the password is the name of this box, that is NIBBLES. So I did not expect like a guessing type from this box, but anyway, so the password, that username is admin and the password is NIBBLES. So click on login. So upon login, you can see right here the notifications. So this is the new session started. Okay, now you can also see the plugins. So this is similar to the WordPress management, and here you can hello world. Okay, so this is the hello world. So go to the private and go to the plugins. Let's see if this matches this. Here we have categories, hello world, latest post. Categories, hello world, latest post, my image pages, my image pages. So these whatever you upload here, it will be reflected here. Okay, so my image, so we can upload a image. Let's click on configure and go to here my image. Okay, so now what we can do is we can get a PHP reversal, because it's a PHP framework. So this is the pentest monkey reversal. So you can go to that website and you can grab that. So this is the IP address you need to change and the port number. So after that, before uploading, let's start a listener. Okay, now we can simply choose this shell.php and click on save changes, cancel. So refresh this. We should see this. We should see the file. Okay, let's try this method. Let's cp shell.php to something image like test.png. So now let's try to upload the test.png, save changes. So we got some warnings. So the PHP backend is using this function image created from png. Okay, let's refresh this and you can see this is the image.png. Wait, what? We uploaded test.png. Okay, let's try to open this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going, and I figured that whatever file you upload, it should be in the name image, the this name without the extension, the name should be image. So what we can say is shell.php to image.php. So we can simply choose this file image.php, and now refresh this. So I think it's been uploaded. Okay, let's try another name. Let's refresh this. So here, okay, maybe it took time to upload the image.php. So my listener is running. So okay, if you get these errors, that means then only our file has been uploaded. Okay, my listener is running. So now open that image.php. Now you can see we got the reversal. Now we can say which Python. So there is no Python 2. Let's go for Python 3. Okay, Python 3 is there. Python 3. Let's upgrade to this to interactive shell. So hit enter. Now we got some shell. Now what you can do is you can press the Ctrl Z and then you can type stty raw echo. So now hit enter. Now type fg and hit enter. So now this is the fully interactive shell. That means it even supports the tab completion. So let's see where we are. pwd. Let's go to home directory. Let's say ls. So let's go to that directory nibbler. Let's view the contents and we can view the user.txt. So there is a personal.zip file. So let's go and extract that one. So there is a folder stuff. Let's go to that. So there is a script monitor.sh. Let's say -la. Okay, we can write the file. We can write some contents onto that. Before that, let's view our root permissions. So whether we have any access to any binary that we can run as a root user without any password. So you can see this monitor.sh. So we are in the right path, and this script monitor.sh can be run with the root without no password. Let's execute this. Monitor.sh. So let's first view the contents of this. So you can see there is so many commands here. Instead of this, we can simply overwrite bin bash. bin bash to monitor.sh since we have the right permission. So let's run sudo monitor.sh. So we have successfully got the root shell. Okay, so we have guessed the credentials of the admin user, and then we have found an upload option, and then we uploaded a reverse shell, and then we got the normal shell. From there onwards, we saw that there is a script that can be run as a sudo. Then we modified the script to the bin bash, and when it's run by the root user, our bash shell gets executed.